Welcome back to Archithings, your go-to destination for inspiring home design ideas from around the world. In today's episode, we explore one of the most daring and unexpected hybrids in modern architecture, curved concrete brutalist homes. These striking homes challenge the rigid reputation of brutalism by incorporating fluid, organic curves into the rawness of exposed concrete. If you're fascinated by bold design, tactile materials, and the beauty of architectural contrast, you're going to love this deep dive. From gravity-defying arches to sinuous facades, we'll examine how this surprising fusion of form is reshaping our idea of modern living. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave us a comment below with your thoughts. It really helps support the channel and allows us to bring you more innovative design content every week. Brutalism originated in the mid-20th century and is characterized by its use of raw materials, especially unfinished concrete, massive forms, and a focus on function over ornament. The style has long been associated with institutional buildings, public housing, and a no-nonsense approach to design. The term itself comes from the French béton brut, meaning raw concrete. Its aesthetic is unapologetically honest: what you see is what you get. Structural elements are exposed rather than hidden, celebrating the building's bones rather than covering them up. While often viewed as cold or oppressive, brutalism also carries a sculptural quality that has earned it a devoted following among architects and design enthusiasts. Its return to popularity in recent years is due in part to its unapologetic character and environmental resilience. Traditionally, brutalism favored angular forms, straight lines, and hard edges. However, a new wave of designers is reimagining the brutalist language by softening these rigid geometries with curves. This change introduces a surprising warmth and movement into a style once known for its harshness. Curved brutalist homes defy expectations, replacing sharp corners with sweeping arcs and circular volumes. This organic transformation brings a sculptural quality that feels more welcoming and residential while still rooted in brutalism's solid presence. By embracing fluidity, architects are humanizing concrete, creating spaces that feel both grounded and dynamic. These homes often feel more harmonious with their surroundings, subtly referencing natural forms like hills, waves, and even tree trunks. While this approach feels contemporary, the concept of softening brutalist structures with curves isn't entirely new. Architects like Le Corbusier began exploring the expressive potential of concrete in the mid-1900s, often introducing curved forms into his later works. Oscar Niemeyer, the Brazilian modernist, famously blended sensual curves with raw materials. His designs, like Brasília's Cathedral and the Niterói Contemporary Art Museum, demonstrate how concrete can be as lyrical as it is monumental. These early visionaries planted the seeds for today's curved brutalist homes, proving that even the most rigid material can be shaped into something poetic. Their legacy continues to inspire a new generation of designers to bend the rules, literally. Concrete is an ideal material for creating bold, curved forms due to its malleability before it sets. With the use of custom molds and formwork, architects can manipulate concrete into complex geometries that would be difficult with traditional construction materials. This material also provides outstanding thermal mass, acoustic insulation, and longevity, making it not only a design statement but also a smart choice for sustainability and comfort. In curved brutalist homes, the finish of the concrete is critical. From smooth, polished surfaces to textured imprints that capture the grain of wooden formwork, every detail contributes to the tactile and visual experience. Curved surfaces interact with light in fascinating ways. Unlike flat walls, which create predictable shadows, undulating concrete forms respond to the sun dynamically, shifting their appearance throughout the day. This play of light and shadow adds a sense of drama and movement to otherwise static structures. Interior spaces, too, benefit. Soft curves can diffuse natural light, creating calm and contemplative atmospheres. By shaping light, these homes become living sculptures, changing with the weather, the time, and the seasons. It's a reminder that architecture isn't just space, it's experience. One standout example is the Ark House by Mazier Birouz Architecture. Located in East Hampton, this home uses curved concrete shells to form an open, flowing structure that blends into its wooded landscape. The house's bold concrete arch not only serves as the main structural element but also defines the home's aesthetic language. Inside, the curved ceilings create a sense of shelter and intimacy, contrasting beautifully with large glass openings. It's a powerful example of how brutalism's strength can be transformed into elegance when paired with thoughtful curvature and integration with nature. Another key trend in curved brutalist homes is biophilic design, drawing direct inspiration from nature. Rounded shapes often mimic natural formations, such as caves, waves, or cliffs, making the structures feel grounded in the environment. Some homes use greenery and plant life to soften the starkness of concrete. Green roofs, living walls, and open-air courtyards create a sense of balance between the man-made and the organic. This integration with nature enhances the home's livability and promotes wellness, making these bold structures feel like serene sanctuaries rather than cold fortresses. Inside a curved brutalist home, design elements often echo the architecture's fluidity. Furniture may follow the arc of walls, lighting is strategically placed to highlight contours, and open plans emphasize flow and movement. The palette is typically minimalist. Concrete, wood, and glass dominate, allowing the sculptural qualities of the structure to shine. Pops of color or texture are introduced sparingly to maintain harmony. This intentional design approach transforms interiors into cohesive environments where every surface, shadow, and shape feels like part of a holistic vision. Despite their beauty, curved brutalist homes come with unique challenges. Custom molds and formwork can be labor-intensive and expensive, making these homes more costly to build than standard designs. Engineering is also more complex. Structural loads behave differently in curved forms, requiring precise calculations and sometimes unconventional reinforcement methods. But for those who embrace these challenges, the payoff is immense, a home that is not only striking and durable but also deeply personal and sculptural. While concrete has a heavy carbon footprint, many architects are finding ways to make brutalist homes more sustainable. Using local materials, recycled aggregates, and new low-carbon cement mixes helps reduce environmental impact. Curved designs can also contribute to energy efficiency by optimizing airflow, improving insulation, and reducing surface area exposed to the elements. Combined with solar panels, geothermal systems, and rainwater harvesting, many curved brutalist homes are surprisingly green beneath their gray exteriors. Curved brutalist homes are appearing in both city and countryside settings, though their impact varies. In urban environments, they often stand out as bold statements amid traditional blocks and towers. In rural landscapes, these homes tend to blend more harmoniously, their curves echoing the natural terrain. They feel like carved-out forms, responding to land rather than imposing upon it. Either way, the contrast between the material's toughness and the form's fluidity creates a compelling tension that captures the eye and imagination. Architects pushing the boundaries of curved brutalism include Tadao Ando, whose concrete work features monastic simplicity with sweeping gestures. His mastery of form and light continues to influence contemporary design. Others like Zaha Hadid architects have explored fluid forms at larger scales, inspiring residential architects to incorporate motion and flow into more intimate settings. Local designers around the world, from Mexico to Japan, are also experimenting with these ideas, resulting in a truly global conversation around curved concrete living. Beyond the aesthetics and function, curved brutalist homes offer something more profound, an emotional experience. The shapes evoke protection, openness, and a certain grounded sensuality that's hard to define. Living in a space that surrounds you with curves rather than boxes can affect your psychology. Many residents report feeling calmer, more connected, and more in tune with their surroundings. It's a testament to how form influences feeling, and how great architecture doesn't just shelter us, but also shapes the way we think and live. As digital fabrication, 3D printing, and new sustainable materials continue to evolve, the possibilities for curved brutalist homes will only grow. What was once experimental is becoming increasingly accessible. We're likely to see more hybrids, mixing brutalism with minimalism, organic modernism, or even vernacular traditions, leading to even richer, more diverse expressions of home design. In the future, concrete may not just be a building material, it may be seen as a canvas for artistic and emotional expression through architecture. If you're thinking about building or renovating a home, consider how curved forms might soften or elevate your space. Even a small intervention, a curved wall, a round skylight, an arched doorway, can make a big impact. You don't have to commit to full brutalism to embrace this style. Pairing concrete with warmer materials like timber, textiles, and greenery can bring balance and beauty. As always, we encourage you to take inspiration, make it your own, and explore how architecture can reflect not just your taste, but your lifestyle and values. Thanks for joining us today on Archithings as we explored the bold and beautiful world of curved concrete brutalist homes. We hope this journey opened your eyes to the incredible potential of blending rugged modernism with graceful fluidity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'd love to hear which design spoke to you the most, or what topics you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep designing, and remember, great homes start with great ideas. See you in the next video.